Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Google Chrome being zoomed in too far. So Google Chrome zoom, to fix it, click on the and open your Google Chrome browser. So this is browser and you can see the page is too small and this page is too large and this page is too small. So I want to fix it. So go to this and close all tab and this page is zoomed. So go to this and select the zoom option. So type here and go to 100%. So this is 100% and that's it. So close the Chrome browser and open the Chrome browser again. And this page you can see the Chrome browser is 100% zoom. So this page and you can see if you search any website, go to this and you can see the page is normally 100% zoom. So you can read this content without any zoom and zoom out. So this is the method of the fix the zoom in and zoom out issue in Chrome. Thanks for watching this video and please click on the subscribe button on my channel. So this is my channel. Open this. This is my channel and click on it and click on 100%. So this is my channel. Please subscribe us.